Hello everyone and Happy New Year from Tomkinson Tech. It is the very start of the new year, back in the workshop. It is freezing in here, but it's an exciting time because we've got some great projects coming up over January and February. So here's a little recap. First up is this Jaguar XKR Silverstone edition. They only made 50 in the hardtop version to celebrate when Jaguar actually entered Formula 1. So this is the first project of the year. Next up, if you've seen my previous video, we've got the ProTerra battery system. I've got this one battery here that's got a load of junk on the top, but we are doing a 230 kilowatt energy storage project with this. That is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be powering a house that has quite a lot of renewable generation, and this battery system then will bolster that supply and make the most out of this renewable generation. And with it being second-hand EV batteries, it's considerably cheaper than anything else on the market. So if it's something you're interested in, let me know. Next project is the MGB GT that is going to be electric. As you can see at the moment, there is no engine in there anyway because it blew up. So it's an ideal opportunity to convert this actually nice car. Got restored not that long ago, so that will be a great project. And this is actually going to be using the battery modules out of one of my ProTerra battery packs. So nice cycle of things out of an EV bus into an MG. So that's the projects for the new year. Exciting times. If you are interested in any of the projects, or if you have a project that you might want me to help you out with, please leave some comment and I will get back to you. But first, we're going to start playing with this beauty. And no, it's not going to be electric because that is a lovely engine. More updates coming soon, so please like, follow, because we've got some really interesting things going on this year. But that is it for now. Have a great day.